And then there was a lot of talk about diversity and inclusion in clinical trials, diversity, equity, inclusion in clinical trials, which is huge. It's important, and every clinical trial should be diverse and be inclusive and be equitable for patients. But there was one thing that I thought was interesting as they were talking about, talking about how in rare, again, it's hard to get all of these patients, and because oftentimes there's not a lot. And they talked about how they want to see as much diversity and inclusion, equity inclusion that they can in trials. They want to see it. We have to see it. We need it. But in rare, we can't let that be a barrier to getting a drug approval across the finish line. And I thought that was interesting. That they're just these things, these extra considerations in rare diseases that we just have to kind of take. And we have to continue to fight for diversity, equity, inclusion in trials, especially the bigger trials.